BabyBus.
We haven't completed all the tasks. Let's complete the tasks. The tasks are amusement park renovation, excavator, excavator, transform. Super Truck Team, let's set off! Come with me to complete the task. Whoa! 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 You're finally here, Truck Team! Come with me! This amusement park has been abandoned for a long time. I want to renovate it. Truck Team, I'll count on you. No problem. You can count on us. Super Truck Team, let's get to work! I am the crane. Let's assemble the aquarium first. Let's secure the support first. The building of aquarium is completed. I am the crane. Let's install the new cabins for the Ferris wheel. Install the cabins on the Ferris wheel. Yeah! The installation of Ferris wheel is completed! I am the crane, and I will also be in charge of repairing broken roller coaster. Let's assemble the tracks first. The installation of roller coaster tracks is completed. I am the bulldozer. Let me clean up the ground before inflating the castle. I am the lawn spreader. I'm good at laying lawn. Next, let's inflate the castle. Swipe up to connect the pump with the castle. Tap the button to inflate the castle. The bouncy castle is ready. Yeah, the construction of the amusement park is completed. I'm quite satisfied with the renovated amusement park. Thank you so much. Oh no! I'm so dirty. Help me wash and clean up. Ooh. Super Truck Team, let's wait to set off! Oh no! An emergency has occurred here! Woohoo! I'm a crane! Count on me for this task! Crane, transform! Woohoo! Let's go! Full speed ahead! Go, go, go! You're finally here, Truck Team! Come with me! The vehicle fell into the pit! What should we do? I am the crane. Let me help you lift the vehicle. Yeah! Tie the vehicle with a rope before lifting it. Task completed. Oh no! My paint has faded! Help me with a new paint! Super Truck Team, let's wait to set off! Bridge construction! A concrete mixer! Mixer transformed! Super Truck Team, let's set off! Let's complete the task! Go, go, go! finally here, truck team! Come with me. A bridge needs to be built here to enable vehicles on both sides of the river to pass through quickly. Truck team, I'll count on you for this task. You can count on us. Super Truck Team, let's get to work! I am the excavator. You can leave the task of digging for bridge construction to me. Be sure to tighten the steel wire with the handle. The bridge pier is set up. I am the crane, and I will complete the task of lifting the bridge deck. Let's piece the bridge deck model together with steel bars first. Drag the lifting hook to the lift bridge deck for assembling.
I am the concrete mixer, and I will complete the task of mixing concrete. Let's concrete the bridge deck.
I'm the road roller. Let's compact the road to make it level. Use a marking machine to draw neat white lines on the bridge deck. Once the concrete is air-dried and solidified, pour white paint into the marking machine. Truck team, the bridge you have built is so amazing. Thank you very much. Oh no! So dirty. Help me wash and clean up. Oof. Whoa! Super Truck Team, let's wait to set off! Oh no! An emergency has occurred here!
Woo!
I'm the concrete mixer! I can complete the task! Mixer, transform! Let's go! Let's complete the task! Go, go, go! You're finally here, Truck Team! Come with me! We are running out of concrete! More concrete is needed for the unfinished road!
I am the concrete mixer. I can hold a lot of concrete in my big belly. Let's load some concrete first. And then spread concrete on the road. Task completed.
Ah, I have a flat tire! I'd like to replace it with a new one. Super Truck Team, let's wait to set off!